right, so we're looking at working out a problem like example 3 out of the complex numbers section, where we are solving and having equations with pure imaginary solutions. So just the imaginary part, nothing, no plus a real number or minus a real number or anything like that. So I've got an equation, 2x squared plus 98 equals 0. Well, basic algebra tells you isolate the variable, so we're going to subtract 98 from both sides. 2x squared equals negative 98, divide by 2, x squared equals negative 49. Now, when you are solving for a variable and you have to take a square root because that's the opposite operation of squaring, remember, you have to give the positive and negative answer. So when solving for a variable, and taking a root, give the positive and negative answer. You can list them separately, or what most people do is they will just simply do plus or minus. So if we take the square root of both sides, we'll say x is equal to plus or minus the square root of negative 49. Now, as you solve, if you want to go right from here to our final answer, that's fine. I'm just showing you what we need to do to acknowledge we have the plus or minus, and now we got to deal with, we got negative 49 under the radical. 49 we know is a perfect square. What do we do with that negative? That's right, we make it an I. So we end up with x equaling plus or minus 7i. If you prefer to write them separately, then just write 7i and negative 7i. Also perfectly acceptable. This is just slightly more compact. So there you go.